Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, General Sibiya yena uyi-example enjani in life. Ngoba every time he comes off as umgulukudu lo muntu. All the time. I'm just like, when is he going to be arrested nje in life? When? Because this is the same person owathi uGeneral Mkhwanazi, please ungangitsheli ngalowo muntu orogue. That person is mgulukudu of mgulukudus. He's a skeben, like in another level that you've never seen. Ukuluva. Yabazi labo baba laba amaphoyisa abayigebengu. Unjalo lo baba lo. And the message zenzi konyane like he's innocent. Athi mina I'm Joseph, Joseph. When SIU came to his house, he wasn't even there at 3 o'clock in the morning. Where are you? Oh, copies nekhathela. Kuba vele those are the times ekuhlanganwa ngazo. I'm just like, no, this guy kahle mina understand. He hasn't been arrested. We get it. Ukuthi basa busy investigation, but ngiyakutshela la umuntu is gonna rot in jail. Suspended as it is now. I said they must just fire me. I was just like, wow. Uzoba mdala. You're just about to pension. But busy. Khuluma umbhedo umdala kanje. Abantu ababoshwe. Those people must just be arrested. He is also involved. Yabona nje in the Mayor case, he knows exactly what happened, that guy. He knows, he can tell you. You know what? This is what happened. It's so unfair, guys, on the Mayor was to be played like this. I haven't ababoshwe, honestly. It's high time. And Mkhwanazi's words, Wage Washwat, I will never sit in the same table with the Omuntu Loy. Mkulukudu, General Shetek, Joseph Asbi, I'll never. I'm sure Mkhwanazi didn't mean his words. I'm sure Baloyi has lost weight. I don't think he does eat, or Baloyi. I don't think Baloyi has eaten actually for the past 2 days. But how do you make a pact engine? Like how the Kumalos made a pact guys. Guys. Who even does that and goes to sleep every night? You're killed. You're very unfair, actually. The way Brigadier Kaninda, guys, is such a liar. Oh my word. Like, this is the same person. Yena nomngana kuzungu. They came up with a story so and they are the ones that actually arrested Officer Guhle. Guys, Officer Guhle is mgulukudu from long time ago. And he has nothing to do with those people. Just Officer Guhle, I think, he came to this equation of Lord Bandaba 5 Simbope because Vele Uiskevengu. Then Skininda started to look for other people. It's okay, you man, no Officer Guhle kuzohlangana. And then he goes and lies ati uyeno ambope ibona bambopa no zungu. Amanga athi makube ngiyamazi lo muntu iskebengu. Saboshwa mina leso skebengu. Nina ngena mhlambe we. Babe busy in Makubu's steps labantu lapha. That's why manje Makubu khona bamsabisa. And on top of that, even knife futhi uGeneral Lishabe. Bebe msabisa lo baba abantu. Cabanga ogini dubaba omdala kanje. Ayibanesibindi sho. I don't know how they do it.
You know what? Brigadier Kaninda and his entourage yabazi kumkhulu ngomkhano, you know, they needed to be called out at some stage by someone, because no one is standing up to saying, can we not go on with this case? These are lies, basically, that we've been told in that court. Sekushoda nje ukuthi uMzansi uthi hail Mr. Lishabane, hail General Lishabane, hail Kaleso sikhathi uBaloyi was now twisting things. Athi uthe athi Lishabane, no I didn't. Athi Mshololo, no uthe he is here for justice. Akazazi is here for the defense. Is here for justice for the Mayors as well. Hey, Yabano Lishabane is doing other things, and people have just been like Ubegupi Ulishabane. Yeah, but Jonas so emotional and you slay queen. I didn't have a problem with Jonas, but his Zulu is actually on point compared to Umpanzani lo abamfunayo, but let's leave it at that. Like how Uramusipile said. And they actually had beef. Uramusipile at some stage. He was lashing out on Uramusipile. Uramusipile was just like, bruh, please calm down. You know? Yeah, I end up getting emotional. Yeah, Tashem try to stand up for Jonas, guys. Why Valaganjalo court Jonas. So Urata stands with Jonas and is gonna go and ask the Chief Justice. Umnisi had to make it clear to Urata ukuthi please mawufika kwi-Chief Justice ungathi thina ne ku-JP wako, and then you come and say it's us that are trying to remove Jonas ngoba it's the 5 accused that said abasamfuna uJonas emotional. Jonas. It ended with General Shabane etshela Baloyi ukuthi listen, uyakhumbula ukuthi mina I had to come out of that meeting when you even offered me tea. Yazini guys, yabo nje. Shabane, he's like, I'm staying with my statement. I'm not changing it. Ngihleli nje lapho ngitshela how uBaloyi guys, why was he trying to say to Shabane wena you were watching TV, Obuguzungu. So basically you were studying this case. So that's when you come here, you know what you are talking about. Hi, Shaman was just like, bruh, please, everyone watches TV. I was barely watching the case, and then that has nothing to do with anything. Zungu is dark. I've never seen anyone so dark. And I don't understand why Zungu is still working. Yeah, especially I really, really don't get it. Those people are supposed to be suspended by today, but suspended, and then they must be fired even before they are arrested. I've never. It's dark. That guy, Ukinindag is beyond dark. He's shown us Gubat dark inside court in so many ways. He has no heart. That person. I've never seen anyone like this. But if when you look at it, Uzungu is in this trouble because of Brigadier Kininde. They both dark. You know those type of people who are abangakuzan. I get caught. I know actually. Let's stop this now. No, it's like we're going on with it. I don't care where it takes us. These people like that, guys. Please, guys, don't forget on Sundays, every Sunday for the past 4 months at least, we have a live at 8. Thank you guys for always loving this channel and supporting me. Ginthanda over.
The name of Nkani as one of the suspect came out. However, Makhubu indicated his doubts about Nkani's involvement, as he indicated that he arrested him for a different case in KZN. General Sibiya believed the information to be making sense, and I also believed.
Just before you pass the question. Kunesigaba-ke la khona-ke engaxhumana khona no-General Sibiya ukuthi-ke eze azolalela-ke lolu lwazi-ke noma le information lena-ke uConstable Zungu aye nayo. Lokho-ke ngakwenza ngoba-ke ngake ngasebenza naye uGeneral Sibiya nokuthi futhi-ke ngangimhlonipha futhi-ke ngimthemba. Constable Zungu weza-ke kuloyo mhlangano loyo la u-warrant officer Makhuba wayekhona. Mina-ke ngikwazi-ke lapho ukuthi-ke uMakhuba wayeyingxenye yophenyo lwalo icala likaSenzo Meyiwa. Kuwona-ke loyo mhlangano lowo igama likaNkani lavela-ke nanjengomunye wabasolwa, kodwa-ke uMakhuba washo ukuthi-ke uyangabazi noma unongabaza-ke mayelana nokubandakanyeka kukaNkani, nanjengoba washo ukuthi-ke kwakuyena owambopha embophela-ke icala elahlukile e-KZN. uGeneral Sibiya wakholwa-ke lokho esithi-ke kuyazwakala, nami futhi-ke ngakholwa.
General, were you present when this meeting took place?
My Lord, I was the one who initiated the meeting.
Wawukhona yini generally-ke kuwona lo mhlangano yimina-ke owenza ukuthi umhlangano lona ube khona?
Because I suspected that maybe somebody who sent Zungu to me is playing the game.
Ngoba-ke nganginokusola ukuthi-ke mhlasimpe umuntu akuyena owathumela uZungu kumina-ke umuntu nje cha odlalayo nje onomdlalo thizeni awudlalayo.
I found out the case was with Wandusa Makhubu from the police side.
Ngaye ngathola-ke ukuthi-ke kuhlangothi lamaphoyisa ukuthi icala leli-ke lalinaye noma lali kuMakhubu.
I did not want to rely on Makhubu only. I said from my side, now I was doubting something. I must get somebody who is neutral, who is not a policeman, though he was an ex-police general. By that time, General Sibiya was working at Metro Johannesburg. He was no longer in the police service.
ngangafuni-ke ukuthi-ke manje-ke ngincike kumakhulu kuphela-ke ngangifuna-ke umuntu-ke manje ongasiyona-ke iphoyisa umuntu nje oyimele-ke yingakho-ke ngakolwami uhlangothi yingakho-ke ngathi ngasondeza-ke noma ngabiza-ke uGeneral Sibiya owayeyiphoyisa ngaphambilini kodwa-ke manje wayesebenzela-ke iJohannesburg Metro Service.
Yeah, at the Metro Department.
Kwi-Metro Department.
Yeah. My Lord, indeed they came and I was with Zungu.
Ngempela beza nkosi enkantolo futhi-ke ngangindawonye noZungu.
I explained to Zungu that the people who are coming, one is the investigator, Makuru, the other one is an ex-police officer. But I want them to hear your story.
Ngase ngimtshela-ke uZungu ukuthi-ke labantu ababili abezayo omunye wabo yiphoyisa uwumseshi-ke noma-ke umphenyi walo icala leli omunye kwakuyiphoyisa ngifisa noma ngifuna ukuthi-ke bezwe okushoyo.
And then when we were there, it is not a hearsay. I was there in church.
Manje-ke ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke babe lapho akusiyona inzwabethi yimina-ke ngangikhona kwakuyimina owayehola.
And I was surprised that the police never took a statement from Makubu as well as General Sibiya.
Kuyangimangaza-ke ukuthi-ke amaphoyisa awakaze athathe i-statement kuyena uMakhubo kanye naye uSibiya.
So that the court can get a proper information.
Ukuze-ke inkantolo ithole ekuyikona.
And when we were there, my Lord,
ngesikhathi esasilapho
I said, Sibiya and Makubu, I don't want to say anything. I want this board constable to relate you the story and keep quiet.
Ngathi-ke Makhubo kanye nawe Sibiya akukho mina-ke engifuna noma engifisa ukuthi ngikusho ngifuna-ke uconstable lona kube uyena-ke oyikhulumelayo.
He told them exactly what he told me, that we get it from Wabini. But again, he said that the other one is Nkani.
Wabatshela kanye lokho-ke wathi-ke wakuthola kugwabeni lokho ayekusho kodwa-ke waphinde washo wathi omunye kwakuwunkani.
Who was part of those people.
Owayeyingxenye yalabo bantu labo.
And he said he didn't lie.
Washo wathi wayengaqambi imanga.
And then Makubu then took a docket of Senzo Meyiwa.
Wase uMakhubo ethatha-ke idokodo likaSenzo Meyiwa.
Not a duplicate.
Engasilona-ke i-copy noma-ke i-duplicate.
He showed him the face of Nkani.
Wamkhombisa-ke ubuso bakhe uNkani.
To prove that he knows him and he was in prison by that time. And then he said, this man cannot be the one because he was in prison.
Ukuthi-ke uyabazike noma-ke uyamazike lo muntu nokuthi-ke le ndoda lena-ke akukwazi-ke ukuthi-ke kungaba yiyona ngoba le ndoda lena-ke yayisejele.
That frustrated Constable Zungu.
Lokho-ke akuzange-ke kumhlalise noma-ke kumphathe kahle-ke uConstable Zungu.
And General Sibiya.
uGeneral Sibiya.
By that time he was ex-general. Remember, he was working at the Metro. He said, what Constable Zungu is saying about the story from Gwabini, it is making sense.
Ukhumbuleke ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke uGeneral Sibiya wayengasasebenziki emaphoyiseni wathi lokhu okukhulunywa uyena uConstable Zungu ngaye uGwabeni into ezwakalayo.
My Lord, if they can call General Sibiya, he will say exactly what I'm saying now. Also Makubu will say exactly what I'm saying.
Uma ngabe kungabizwa uGeneral Sibiya ubizwe uMakhubu bangasho lokhu engikushoyo.
Okay, thank you, General. Let's proceed to paragraph 8. I personally requested the presence of the General Sibiya for the purpose of having an objective view of what Constable Zungu was sharing. When Zungu met the General Sibiya, I asked him to narrate the story for him on his own, of which he did. General Sibiya believed this to be making sense. Warrant Officer Makhubo had his reservations. I was later informed by Constable Zungu that he met with Colonel Buthelezi and Warrant Officer Makhubo, but they do not believe him. He, Zungu in brackets, said he was accused of working with me to protect the Kumalos. I then told him that if this is the case, then we will hit a brick wall because they were supposed to investigate and follow up the facts and evidence.
Mina-ke ngase ngicela-ke ukuba khona kwakhe owaye uGeneral Sibiya ngokuthi-ke abe khona-ke lapho ukuthi-ke azoba novoko okuwuvo lwakhe kwaloko uConstable Zungu wayekusho. uZungu uma ke ehlangana naye uGeneral Sibiya ngamcela ukuthi ke akhulume lokho ayekusho yena ngokwakhe ekuyinto ke ayenza uGeneral Sibiya wakholwa ke lokho ethi ke kuyazwakala uwarrant officer Makhubo yena ke wayenokungaba ke kamuva ke ngase ngitshelwa ke uyena uConstable Zungu ukuthi wahlangana noLieutenant Colonel Buthelezi kanye nowarrant officer Makhubo kodwa ke bona ke babengamkholwa yena Zungu washo ke ukuthi wayesolwa ngokuthi ke esebenza nami noma ke esebenzisana nami ukuvikela abakwaKhumalo ngase ngimtshela ke ukuthi uma ngabe lokho kukanjalo ke lokho ukuthi ke bazonqubuza noma bazoshayiseka ke obondweni ngoba kwakufanele ukuthi bona ke baphenye balandeleke amaqiniso kanye nobufakazi.
My Lord, to add on that one, when we were in that meeting, the last final word from me was that Constable Zungu, from this point, and I said that to everyone, Advocate Baloyi as well as also Kininda. I said from this point, you are going to work with Makhubu's team. Because by that time, the name of Kininda was not in the picture.
Ukusuka lana yila engatshela khona ke uZungu naloko ngakusho kuyena ke uAdvocate Baloyi kanye naye ku Brigadier Kininda ukuthi ke ngaleso sikhathi leso ukuthi ke Zungu ukusukela la manje kuya phambili uzosebenza ke nethimba likaMakhubo whose name was in the picture Kininda
by that time Colonel Kininda
ngaleso sikhathi leso ke igama lika Kininda lale kwakungekho la elivela khona.
My Lord, after some days he came back to me and said, hey General Lishaba, I've got a problem.
Emuva kwamalanga ke wasebuyela kumina ke ethi General Lishaba nenkinga.
He said, as you said, I must work with Makhubu, but Makhubu called me with Buthelezi.
Wathi ke nanjengoba uthe angisebenze noMakhubo uMakhubo kanye naye ke uButhelezi baxhumana nami.
But that time I was told Colonel Buthelezi was also part of the team.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ngatshelwa ke ukuthi ke uKolonel Buthelezi naye wayeyingxenye yethimba.
He said, I'm surprised they are saying me as Constable Zungu.
Uthi ke kwangishaqisa ukuthi ngoba bathi mina Constable Zungu
I'm cooking this case with you General Lishabane.
Ukuthi ke siyapheka ke lelicala leli ngihlangene nawe General Lishabane.
I made sure I understand Zungu. I said Zungu, remember we were with Makhubu.
Ngayenza ke isiqinisekiso sokuthi ngimzwa kahle uZungu ngoba ngathi ke khumbuleke ukuthi uMakhubo besindawonye naye.
And Buthelezi was not there.
Buthelezi wayengekho.
But he said yes, they are saying me Constable Zungu and you General Lishabane, we are cooking the case.
Kodwa ke yebo bathi mina Constable Zungu ndawonye nawe General Lishabane ukuthi icala leli siyalipheka.
Remember that group, it was the group who said the firearm coming from the shot coming from the house, no other person from outside.
Ukhumbuleke ukuthi lelo ke labo ke yilabo bona ababekholwa ukuthi ke ukuthi ukuqhuma kwesibhamu kwakubuya kulabo ababengaphakathi endlini hayi kumuntu owayebuya noma ke qhamuka ngaphandle.
And my Lord, I was surprised because of already I supplied the information to National Commissioner Sithole, but now these people were also working under them. Now, when I was still thinking about this, I said, you Makhubu, I will try some means, Zungu, I will try some means to get the National Commissioner again. But if they are saying that no one entered the house, only those who were in the house that are responsible, then I said they will hit the wall.
Ngase bangangazake lokho ngoba manje ke lo daba la seludluliselwe ke kuyena ke uNational Commissioner